Today, we're comparing SimConnect and Esim247, two top options for digital nomads who need internet anywhere. If you're traveling a lot, you know how crucial it is to stay connected without racking up high roaming charges. That's where eSIM services come in. SimConnect provides flexible short-term plans with a vast global network, making it a solid choice for occasional travelers. Meanwhile, Esim247 is a standout with its affordable pricing and user-friendly setup. One of Esim247's biggest perks is the availability of unlimited data packages. So if you're a heavy user, this could be perfect for you. Check out the yesim service with unlimited data packages here. Whether you're working remotely, streaming, or just browsing, unlimited data means no more worrying about overages. Both services let you switch between plans easily, so you can adapt based on your location and data needs. If you're unsure which to choose, think about your priorities, cost, coverage, or data needs. For those who need unlimited data on the go, Esim247 with yesim's packages might be the best choice. Make sure to subscribe for more comparisons like this, and hit the like button if you found this helpful.